especially for home use. And this area is the most classic empty model. And this is the one I introduced you before. One had 12 needles, and the working area of this one is 500 by 1200 millimeters. Equipped with the new escort A15 Pro computer. And we have the rest machines assembly and testing. And this is the same model you want, but a bigger working area. Here is the same model you want, but 50 needles. This one is 12 needles, and the working area of this one is X direction 1200 millimeter and the Y direction 500 millimeter. Now we assemble the table and the flat frame on it. And you can see the design we tested. Very strict line, very accurate. And this is the one, 500 by 800 millimeter working area, but 50 needles. This is the overall look of our factory. And in our factory, we also have the golden supplier of Alibaba.com. This is our company.